Meet Jane. She runs a shaved ice stand in her neighborhood called Glacier Shack. Jane's stand is doing pretty well, but she never seems to have any money left over after paying all her expenses. So, Jane decides to try out Profit First. Profit First takes Jane's income and splits it into 4 jars in predetermined percentages. She puts profit in a jar first, then owner's compensation, then taxes, and lastly, operating expenses. Then, Jane puts these jars on different shelves in her room where she can't reach them easily. By doing this, Jane makes sure that she always takes a profit. She uses whatever is in her operating expenses to buy the things she needs to run her stand. So, if she doesn't have enough money to buy all the syrup flavors that she wants, she'll have to decide which are the best sellers and do without the rest. This way, she learns to evaluate her product line and cut out unnecessary expenses and products that don't bring value to her business. By putting the other jars in hard-to-reach places, she prevents herself from stealing from those accounts to pay expenses. In using Profit First, Jane has immediately taken a profit for her shaved ice stand. Her finances are more organized, and she is able to control her expenses. She is now in a better position to achieve her business goals. Thousands of companies have used Profit First to increase profit and find long-term success in their business. Better Biz Info is a Profit First master professional firm and a certified QuickBooks Elite Pro advisor. Call or schedule an appointment at betterbizinfo.com to take control of your finances today. Thanks for watching this video and enjoy the first 2 chapters of the Profit First book for free. Just click the link in the caption above. See you next time.